I'm always amazed at the number of people who want to put together their estate planning on their own. Yes, you can Google literally anything nowadays. And yes, you can download all sorts of legal templates. But does that really mean you should? Do you really want to roll the dice on who will make decisions for you should you become incapacitated? Are you willing to risk how your hard-earned assets and home get distributed after your death? What if you get sick and need some of that money to pay for your care? Will there be money left to care for you, to care for your spouse, or to distribute to your heirs? Are all the intricacies of protecting and managing your money and your property included in that generic downloaded template? It is shocking how many people are ready to jeopardize hundreds of thousands of dollars just to save a few. One of the biggest gambles in life is choosing to use Google and other downloads instead of seeking out an elder law expert. Because you're not really paying for your documents, you are paying for sound and prudent counsel and expert planning. The documents are just the result of the hard work and analysis that goes into putting you in the strongest position possible. You've worked your entire life to get what you have. Don't leave it all up to chance at the end. Takacs McGinnis Elder Care Law has 30 years of experience and expertise in helping people protect what matters most to them. Let us help you.